Alright guys, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today we have a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider GTS 3.0. So what we're going to do is drain the manual transmission fluid. Alright, let's go and get under the car. Alright, so the drain plug is this one right here. It's going to get a better angle, better view. It's this one right here. Big one. Alright, the size for that one is a 24 millimeter. Alright, let's go ahead and remove it. Just gonna break it loose. Alright, just gonna remove it. Alright, just gonna wait for that to drain all the way. Just gonna wipe that down. After that, just go ahead and reinstall it. Alright, so once it's done draining, just go ahead and plug that drain plug back in. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten it by hand first. Just go ahead and tighten it by, make sure you have the washer in there. See that little washer right there? So yeah, make sure that goes back in. Alright, after that, just give it a little tug. No need to over tighten it. As you can see, it stops right there. Let's give it a little tug. That's more than enough. Alright, so there you have it. Now you have to top it off. Alright, let's go ahead and open the hood and do that. Alright, so after that, let's go ahead and top off the fluid. Let's go ahead and remove these clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. For that, this should come right off. Maybe, yeah, actually you don't have to. Well, let's go ahead and remove the 10 millimeter right here. This one right here. After that, we'll be able to remove this air intake. You might have to disconnect this. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove that 10 millimeter right there. This one. Just go and wiggle it. It should come right off. After that, let's go ahead and lift this. Might want to disconnect this one too. This little air hose right there. After that, just move that to the side. Disconnect this. Hold that to the side, just like that. Let's move this filter out of the way. Let's move this box right here. There's one 10 millimeter right there. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to remove those. After that, we should be able to remove this box right here. Alright, so once you remove those two, you should be able to remove this box. Just like that. Alright, after that, you'll have access to the fill-in plug right here, which is this one right here. This one. Alright, just gonna remove that and top it off. Alright, just gonna remove that. The size for that one is a 17 millimeter. Let's go ahead and grab our pipes, fresh levers. It's over time. Shouldn't be up. Alright, so there you have it. It's that one right there. Alright, just gonna top it off now. Alright, what I did is just cut a small hose. Alright, so the part that I'm using is gonna be the original part. from the dealer. Here you have it. So I already included this under the description, the part number. All right, so for this one you'll need 3 cords. All right, just gonna add that now. All right, just gonna add it. All right, so after the 3rd quarter, you can see it's spilling right there. That means it's topped off already. As you can see, it's started to come out. I'm sure you can see that. See, it's dripping. There you have it. All right, let's go and wipe all that all around. As you can see, it keeps dripping. That means it's topped off. Well, yeah, make sure you're in the flat surface when you do this. All right, let's go and close that. All right, let's go and tighten that. Same 10mm. So once you know it's topped off, you'll see it dripping. Just like that one. All right, so there you have it. Last thing you want to do is just wipe it down. All right, so that's how you drain and refill your manual transmission on a Mitsubishi Eclipse. So yeah, you want to service your transmission. Last thing you want to do is damage your transmission. All right, just gonna put this air box back in. All right, so there you have it. All right, just gonna put this 10mm back in. One, those 2 right here. Those 2. After that, let's go and clip it back in. 1, 2, 3. Last one right here, 4th. Also, let's go ahead and get those 2 right there, the 10mm and that little hose right here. All right, let's go ahead and do that now. Connect that hose back in. All right, connect that hose back in there. This one, tighten that 10mm right there. This one. All right, so there you have it. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.